Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter of the pollen filter on Audi A6 C6 4F. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box, so in order to get access to it we need to remove the glove box. To remove the glove box there are 5 or 6 screws holding it, 2 on the bottom. I'll show them to you right now. One of them is on the left over there in the hole and the other one is on the other side. Before I show you the other screws, first I'm going to remove these 2 screws. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. To get access to the other 3 screws, first I'm going to open the glove box, and now I have access to the 3 screws. There is one here on this side, one in the middle right there, and third one is on the left. So now we're going to remove the 3 screws and take out the glove box. That's the glove box on the ground. Now we have access to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located here on the left in the very back, just behind this heater hose right there. That's the cabin filter cover. I'll show you again where it is exactly. That's the cabin filter cover right there. In order to remove it, first we need to go from the bottom side and open the clamp, and that's the cabin filter behind it. There's actually 2 cabin filters, so first you take the first one out, then you need to push the second one to the hole so that you can take the second one out as well. And that's the second filter out. Now we're going to replace them with new ones. There's the new filters. First we're going to put the first one in. We're going to push it to the side and then put the second one in. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.